This MOSFET is NPN MOSFET. Here, this is the drain. We have 19 volt in the drain, as you can see. And the source, we will get here 5 volt, as you can see in the multimeter. So the source of this MOSFET is connected to the drain of this MOSFET. So we will get also here 5 volts, as you can see. Then the source is connected to the ground. So for this MOSFET, also the same. The drain of this MOSFET is connected to the drain of this MOSFET. So here we have 19 volt. We should get here 19 volt also. And in the source of this MOSFET, we will get 3.3 volt, as you can see. So the source of this MOSFET is directly connected to the drain of this MOSFET. Means we will find here also 3.3 volt, as you can see in the multimeter. In the other side of the motherboard, we will get the same voltages. Okay, so this is two coils here. One coil, as you can see, is for 3.3 volt, and the other coil is for 5 volt. For each coil, we have a chemical capacitor, as you see. So this is a 3.3 volt coil. This capacity also should be 3.3 volt. This is a filtering capacitor. And here we have a 5 volt coil. This capacity also should be a 5 volt capacitor. Okay, so this is the 3 volt and 5 volt circuit, and here this is the power management IC that controls the 3 volt and 5 volt circuit. Hi, welcome to how to diagnose a laptop motherboard chaos. I'm Ismail. I'm an electronic and computer engineer. In this course, you're going to learn how to troubleshoot and diagnose any failed motherboard. I'm going to teach you step by step the process that professionals and experts use during troubleshooting. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to diagnose, isolate, and repair any laptop motherboard. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and let's get started.